Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is our next video of electrodynamics. In this video, we will solve three problems of electrodynamics. All these three problems have been chosen from the same book, that is Elements of Electromagnetics by Matthew N.O. Sadiki. Okay, if this video remains less than 15 minutes, then it will be uploaded on concerned channel, that is electrodynamics by Rajput Abdul Rahid Bhatti. But if its duration goes beyond 15 minutes, then it will not be able to be uploaded on a newly launched channel electrodynamics by Rajput Abdul Rahid Bhatti, and we will have the only choice to upload this video on our old main channel, original channel, physics lectures by Rajput. Okay, first we come towards its statement. Okay, problem number 5. Okay, electrodynamics problem number 5. Given vectors A equal to 3ax plus 4ay plus az and b equal to 2ay minus 5az, find the angle between A and B. Okay, dear students, we are dealing with the angle between two vectors not only in electrodynamics but also in mathematical methods, in physics and classical mechanics, and also to some extent in electronics. But it is not our mistake. These topics are included in all these books, and these are part of our curriculum. Okay, so we will start from these, but gradually our attention will be diverted to subject specific topics, okay, which will be quite different from each other. Okay, given vectors A equal to this and B equal to this, find angle between A and B. Okay, solution A equal to this, then this implies that magnitude of vector A, that is A norm or A absolute. Here it is our discussion whether we denote it by these two double bars or single bar. Okay, it means magnitude of this vector, that is this square plus this square plus this square. 9 plus 16 plus 1 equal to 26 under root. Now b equal to this, and hence 4 plus 25 plus 0, because here y is 0, so 0 will not affect. Okay, hence magnitude of A equal to 26 under root and magnitude of B equal to 29 under root. Okay, now dot product of A and B, A dot B equal to this. Okay, in dot product we take only the relevant coefficients. Okay, coefficient of ax will be multiplied with coefficient of ax. Here ax is absent, so 3 into 0 plus 4 into 2 plus 1 into minus 5. Okay, this will be the arrangement of multiplication, order of multiplication. Okay, and hence answer becomes 3. Okay, let theta be the angle between A and B. Then by definition of angle, cos theta is equal to dot product of A B divided by magnitude of A and B. Okay, so 3 over 26 into 26 under root into 29 under root, this becomes equal to 3 over this becomes equal to 3 over this becomes equal to this. Okay, when cos theta equal to this, then this implies that theta will be equal to cos inverse, and value of cos inverse in radian becomes equal to 1.46 radian, while in degree it becomes equal to 83.74. Okay, I have taken this value from internet. Okay, online calculator, online converter, etc. Okay, there may be several ways to find out this value. Okay, now we move to problem number 6 of the electrodynamics by Matthew N.O. Sadiki. Okay, same. If A is equal to this and B is equal to this, then find theta between A and B. Okay, angle between A and B. The only difference is that here it is denoted in this way, that find theta AB, where AB is written as a subscript of theta. That is same that is find the angle between A and B. Find theta between A and B. What is theta? Theta is the angle. So find angle between A and B, or find theta AB, where AB is written as a subscript of theta. Okay, no difference whether we pronounce it as a angle between A and B or find theta AB. Okay, solution. When A is equal to this, then A magnitude will be equal to this square plus this square equal to 10 under root. Okay. When B is equal to this, then B magnitude will be equal to this square plus this square whole under root, and hence 65. Okay. Now A dot B equal to 1 into 5 plus 0, because here A y is absent. Okay. So 0 into 2 equal to 0, and 3 into minus 6, 3 3. Okay, so dot product of AB, A dot B becomes equal to minus 13. Okay, and similarly hence cos AB equal to dot product of AB over magnitude of A and B. Okay, we can denote it by single bar also. Okay, minus 13 over this becomes equal to minus 0.51. When cos theta AB equal to this, then theta AB will be equal to cos inverse minus 0.51, and value of cos inverse minus 0.51 in radian becomes equal to 2.11, and in degree becomes 120.66 degree. Okay, I have taken this value of cos inverse minus 0.51 from internet, online calculator, online converter. There may be other ways to find this value also. Okay, now problem number 7. Three field quantities are given by P equal to this, Q equal to this, and R equal to this. Determine part A, P plus Q into Q minus into P minus Q. Part B, Q dot R cross P. C, P dot Q cross R. D, sin theta sin theta between Q and R. Part E, P into Q into R. Where Q into R is in bracket. Okay, where bracket comes, our order of operation becomes clear. Okay, that is to say, first we will operate this and then we will operate this. Okay, anyhow, quite simple 5 parts. We see one by one these 5 parts. Okay. In part A, first we will find P plus Q, then we will find P minus Q, then we will take cross product of these two. Okay. So in part A, first P plus Q, this becomes equal to this, then P minus Q, this becomes equal to this. Now P plus Q into P minus Q. In the first row we write it as, okay, sometimes we write here IJK, sometimes we write XYZ. Okay, so here because AX, AY, AZ are being used, so in the first row we have written this, and then 4 minus 1 1, 4 minus 1 1, and 0 1 minus 3, 0 1 minus 3. Okay, here AX, this minus this, minus AY, this minus this, plus AZ, this minus this. Actually, dear students, here with AY minus sign becomes here, actually concept of minors and cofactors become relevant. Okay, minors and cofactors. Therefore, with AX we will get minus 1 raised to the power 1 plus 1, number of column plus number of row. However, in case of AY, we will get minus 1 raised to the power 1 plus 2, that is 3. So we know that minus 1 power odd is minus, and minus 1 power even is plus. Okay, so this and hence the answer is quite clear. Now B, Q dot R cross P. Here order of operation is not clear. Okay, no bracket sign has been used, so we are at liberty whether we first find Q dot R or first we find R cross P. Okay, anyhow we first find R cross P. For this purpose, in the first we will write ax in this way, and hence r this coefficients of ax ay that will be these and these, and hence keeping in view the concept of minors and cofactors, r cross p becomes equal to this, and this can be written in this form. Okay, and now we find dot product of q with this. Okay, that is this dot this. Okay, so this 2 into 3 plus minus 1 into 4 plus 2 into 6 equal 14. Okay, so 14 is our answer. Okay, quite simple, quite simple. Now part C, p dot q cross r. Now q dot r, I think perhaps we have already find out q cross r. No. And q cross r, ax ay, that this will be remain as usual, and this is the q. These are the coefficients of q, and these are the q of r with ax ay, that, and hence keeping in view the concept of minors and cofactors, q cross r becomes equal to this 5ax plus 2ay minus 4az. This can be written in this form. Okay, and now we find p dot q cross r. Okay, this dot this. Okay, and hence this again becomes 14. Okay, we move forward. Part D, we know that a cross b is equal to ab sin theta ab into an. Okay, where an is a unit vector. This implies that sin theta ab is equal to a cross b over ab. Okay, we can write double bar or single bar, no difference. And this is because this is unit. Okay, so in place of an we will get 1 when we take the magnitude. Magnitude of unit vector is 1, and 1 is always multiplied with every quantity. So sin AB becomes equal to a cross b over AB. Okay, we take magnitude of both sides, and hence a cross b magnitude over a magnitude b magnitude. Okay, this AB was just to the extent of formula, but here p q r are being used. Okay, q r are being used, q and r in place of a q and in place of b r. So q cross product of q r and magnitude of q as well as r. Q cross r, we have already found q cross r is 5 to minus 4, but here we are taking its magnitude, so it will become 25 plus 4 plus 16. Okay, divided by q magnitude this and r magnitude this, when multiplied this will become this and this. It can be written as 9 into 5, so 3 will be out and 3 will be cancelled out with this, and hence 5 under root or 14 under root is, after simplification, it becomes this. Okay, so dear students, our answer is this. Okay, because we have to find sin theta AB, sin theta QR. In place of AB we have QR, so sin theta QR, not only theta QR. If we have to find theta QR, then we will have theta QR equal to sin inverse, but there is no need of sin inverse, because we are not required to find theta QR. We are required to find sin theta QR. Okay, so its value is this, and this is our final answer. Okay, next part, p cross q cross r. Here q cross r is within bracket, so first we will operate this. Q cross r, I think we have already calculated this. Okay, so this becomes equal to this. It can be written in this form. Okay, now we take p cross q cross r. Okay, so ax ay is as usual, and hence these are the coefficients of p, and these are the coefficients of this 5 2 minus 4. Okay, keeping in view the concept of minors and cofactors, our p cross q cross r, where q cross r is within bracket, becomes equal to 2ax plus 3ay plus 4az. It can be written in this form 2 3 4, and this is our final solution of part E, and this is the end of our video. Till next video, Allah Hafiz.